I believe our borders should be open, but if that is not politically acceptable for now, Europe should at least open up a legal route for people from developing countries to come work here. Over time, hopefully, we can move to a position where borders are completely open. Persuading skeptics won't be easy. That's why I think the argument for free migration has to be made at several levels, a principled case. It increases freedom and reduces injustice. A humanitarian case. It helps people much poorer than ourselves. An economic case. It makes us richer. And a pragmatic case. It is inevitable, so it is in everyone's interest to make the best of it. Freedom of movement is not just a matter of human rights and international solidarity. It is in our self-interest. Opening our borders may seem unrealistic, but so too once did abolishing slavery or giving women the vote. Campaigning for people's right to move freely is a noble cause of our time.